Ah, romance. A feeling of excitement and mystery associated with love. Ever since I started watching anime, I thought there could be much better romance anime. So I started to watch more and more, and here we are today. So today I bring to you guys the top 10 best romance anime that you need to watch. So without any further ado, let's get straight to it. And before starting this video guys, I would like to thank Otaku Den for inspiring me for this video guys. If you like anime related stuff, do make sure to check out his channel. He is also an anime content creator just like me. So without any further ado guys, let's get straight to it. So coming in at number 10 we have Golden Time. So guys, you all know that there is no anime amazing without thrillers, and the anime Golden Time is no exception, being that our main character have amnesia, where the person loses his or her memories and he only serves as the side character in the first 2 to 3 episodes. And when he proposes to the girl in the 7th episode, only then our main characters get in the spotlight. What I like most about this anime is the development of character towards our main character, how they become friends and how they solve problems that come in their life. And also, the most important thing, the romance between our main character and his girlfriend. So coming in at number 9 we have Maid Sama. Have you ever known a girl who is hot-headed, cruel and feminist? If not, then this anime contains all that features. A young hot-headed feminist girl who starts a feminist rule in her school, and also who hates all guys and men, and also who works as a maid at a maid cafe to earn family income. Then she meets the most badass guy in the whole entire school, who is good at literally everything he does, whether it be sports or it be studying or even playing the violin. He is good at everything. The most interesting thing about this anime is how the girl comes towards her actual and true feelings for the guy in this anime. So coming at number 8 we have Love Chinobio and Other Delusionals. Do you remember that time guys when we used to believe and play like we were some kind of mythical beings and magical beings, and we felt a strong pain that we have to leave those memories behind because we started to grow up and can't enjoy the times that we enjoyed when we were kids. Love Chinobio and Other Delusionals started off as a comedy anime and slowly started to grow towards romance across the first and second season and the movie. The thing I like about this anime is that the characters start to realize that they have to grow while still in their mythical forms. So coming in at number 7 we have Sakura Soe no Pet na Kanujo. Who doesn't like quiet girls, especially when they are the main character of these animes? Because unlike other girls in animes, these girls are tend to grow more than usual in their personalities. In this anime, we have Mashiro Shina, a young manga artist who is silent, doesn't know social rules, and doesn't care about what is going on around her. The story mainly focuses on each character, how they change their life and the lives of other people around them. The romance in this anime is a bit slow, but trust me guys, every second would be worth it.
ですよね。
これから先の予約。
愛坂愛坂愛坂愛坂俺にどうか俺にこ ここんちのキッチンを掃除させてくれ。
なんだよ。
So coming in number 6 we have Toradora. What would you do if you had a scary face? The best thing you would want is to live a normal life without scaring people away. This is the case with our main character Takasu. Only few people are not afraid of him. That includes his best friend and his crush. But one day, he bumps into a girl, and the girl, instead of apologizing to him, punches our guy in the freaking face. From there and out, our main story starts. The most best thing I like about this anime is how the people start to recognize our guy as a normal person instead of thinking about him as a gang leader freak. The romance in this anime is a bit slow, guys, but till the end, it all comes together.
ねえ、寒いしもう一度。もう一度。バカザクタ。
So coming in at number 5 we have Rascal Does Not Dream of Bunny Girl Senpai. And yes guys, this show isn't about bunny girls. It's actually a really funny romance anime. And I know you might have heard that more times than you can count. So while watching this anime guys, you might expect a comedy romance, but you will be surprised on how our main character deals with situations in his life, and that goes for other characters as well. The thing I like about this anime is the funny romance between our main character Sakura and his girlfriend Mai, when they start to notice that they can't live without each other.
痛いって舞さん。てかなんで？
私と結婚してくれるなら付き合ってあげる。
はい、喜んで。
So coming in at number 4 we have Tonikaku Kawaii. Guys, have you ever thought how a young married couple acts? If not, then this anime is just for you. Guys, in this anime we have a guy named Nasa and his wife Tsukasa, and how they develop as a married couple. While watching this anime guys, you might feel wholesome about some situations, but that is all the cringes are about in this anime. So guys, basically what happens is our guy sees our girl for the first time, and while approaching her guys, he gets hit by a truck, and the girl saves him, and he confesses to the girl, and the girl says him, will you marry me? And the guy says yes. And rest I won't tell guys, you watch it by yourself. It's a very good romance anime guys, and it's definitely in my must watch list. So coming in at number 3 we have Mayochiki. Let's imagine guys that you are a guy and you are in high school and you see the most famous guy in the entire school. You admire him because he is good at everything he does, either being sports or studying. But one day you discover his darkest secret, that he is actually a girl. What would you do? This is the story of Mayochiki, where our main character Sakamachi Kinjiro discovers that the most famous guy in the entire school is actually a girl. What I like about this anime guys is the romance development of our main character towards his girl.
お前の差し金か。な、おい、いや、ちょっと、な、おい、
So coming in at number 2 we have Familiar of Zero. Guys, what would you do if you get summoned to another world where there are creatures that look like humans and they can use magic? And also guys, there are different monsters. This is the story of Familiar of Zero, where our main character Saito becomes a slave of a girl who is also the weakest magic user and who can only use explosion magic, and I mean screwing all magic spells. The thing I like about this anime is how our guy Saito helps our girl to become a #1 magic user in her school. And also guys, if you don't like the main character getting beaten up, then this anime is not for you.
のじゃなくて。
のはさ、家で一人の時に読めばマジきねえし。
So coming in at number 1 we have Hajimete no Gal. So guys, we all have been there when we were the only person in class who didn't have a partner. This is the same case with our main character Junichi. Just like us all guys, he also didn't have a girlfriend, including his friends. But one day, his friend forced him to propose to the most popular gal in the entire class. And surprisingly, the proposal worked and they become a couple. The thing I like about this anime is how our main character developed as a couple with his girlfriend. And also guys, this anime has the best romance in the whole anime series that I have ever watched. And it's also icky guys, so if you are not 16 and older, don't watch this anime. So it looks like we have reached the end guys. Thank you very much for watching this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also guys, I would like to thank Otaku Dan again for inspiring me for this video guys. And also guys, there might be some lines from one of his videos guys, but I tried my best not to copy his exact lines. Okay then guys, it's time for me to give my farewell. If you guys have any anime related content that you want me to do, please make sure to give it in my comments below. So thank you again for watching this video guys, and I will see you in the next video. Farewell.